Making my own timber with logs I would have get for free always fascinated me. And trust me, because nice wood is pretty hard to get because it's really expensive, isn't it? I recently bought this chainsaw from Amazon and it surprised me how it works well. Actually, it doesn't really cut as fast as I thought because of the lack of power, and the chainsaw blade isn't a high quality one. But for the price, and to be honest, it's quite decent and it makes it. Sadly, this chainsaw doesn't come with a rip chain, so the pitch and the sharpness angle isn't the best for a chainsaw mill. The sharpness angle on a rip chain is normally around 10 degrees, and on a standard chain like this one it should be around 30 degrees. And when I'm talking about angle, I'm not talking about my legs at the moment. But don't worry, because if you like my skinny legs, they will have more chainsaw mill videos for you to come. This is my first cut ever, and I'm really happy about it. I haven't talked about the origin of these logs yet. Me and my brother dived in the lake at our childhood homes to collect few of them. My goal was to saw driftwood from the lake and get those colorful planks. I don't know how it works and why it happens, but there is chances that planks pop nice color because of the fact that it's been sinking in water for so long. If you guys have any idea about it, please feel free to comment down the video. I'm cutting my slab at 2 inches thick and plan to make indoor shelf and any other woodworking project with it. After cutting few planks, I decide to wear a dust mask because it's way more dusty than I thought and wind direction just turned right in my face. Also, make sure you're wearing eyes protection because chipwood tend to fly everywhere around. For the last advice, hold the chainsaw guide properly in case your hands slip in the direction of the blade. Those logs I'm sawing are probably really old because where I found those logs in the lake, they used to carry the wood by making it floating over water in 1920. So this wood was already old when it sank down the lake 100 years ago. There is already a good amount of slab at my back, and it's really nice to see what you can do with this beginner setup. This is not the best equipment, of course, but for the price I think this is worth getting it. Don't tell me wrong, I haven't used this chainsaw a lot yet, and I have no idea how long it will last. This chainsaw cost me around 175 Canadian dollars, and the chainsaw mill guide a bit more than $100, so it cost me around $300 total. I will put the link down this video in case you guys want to look forward for this equipment. This is all what I saw today. It took me around 3 hours, but now I could make it a bit faster since I know what I'm doing. I have a feeling that with a stronger chainsaw and a better chain, I could cut time in half. Hey, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. They will have more chainsaw mill stuff to come on my channel and also other video of me working in my workshop. I wish you all a good day and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you soon, guys.